Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to fix Zarchiver Access is denied. See, this is problem. Okay, let's fix it. Follow my all steps and don't skipping the video. Okay, go to your phone settings. Scroll down, click on apps. Click on see all apps, search Zarchiver. Click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Click on clear storage. Allow all permission. Go to your Play Store and update check Zarchiver app. My app already updated. Click on open. I hope solve your problem. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.